So we're starting Vlogmas week 1. We are gonna go to Charlotte and take the kids to this light show at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. We took the kids a couple of years ago. It was really nice. We enjoyed it. So we decided to take them again this year. They might have new stuff, and we might take another picture with Santa because we took one last time. So cute. Audie was so small. She probably wasn't even walking at that time. And we also have some things planned for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys with me. It's like she knows when we're about to go away for a while. Lucky for her, we're just going away for the night. I'm sure she's gonna enjoy having the house to herself. Are you ready? Are you excited to see Santa?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Got everything?
Yeah, I get toys.
Your toy.
And a player. And you sleep in it.
So you could sleep with that?
Yeah.
We just checked in, just dropping our stuff off, and now we're gonna head to the light show.
We're almost there.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
I got the marshmallow, and I don't like marshmallows. standing under the heat. Oh, there's a lookout. So Audie brought her buddies, and there's 4 of them. What's their names?
This one kitty.
Mm-hmm.
And this one dolphin. This a bear.
And how about this one?
This one girl.
Girl. Her name's Girl?
Yes.
Okay. I just took her hair out, so that's why it just looks crazy. Did you have fun?
Yes, of course I do. We met Santa after 3 years.
I know, it's been a long time because COVID.
Yeah, Mommy, go sleep.
Where am I gonna sleep?
Here. Right here.
And look at all the space they're gonna have. I need to clean my face. We do have plans for tomorrow. I'm trying to go to IKEA because it's been a while and it's the holidays, and I don't think I've ever really been to IKEA during the holidays, so it would be interesting to see like how festive it'll look there. And then we're gonna try and eat somewhere, or maybe we'll just eat at IKEA. And then I want to go to the Asian store, buy some goodies and stuff, and then just go home so we can relax and stuff. So she just decided that she's gonna sleep on the sofa bed.
I'm sleeping here.
Are you gonna let Cam sleep with you?
No. Can't sleep there.
Right here?
Yeah. You take all your hair off.
Yeah, mommy gonna take my makeup off now.
We have to. Don't wear it on time. And Mommy and wear that.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, killer wheels. Ooh, this room is festive. It has a Christmas tree. always wanted a sink like this. Really big. So it's easy for me to prep when I cook.
It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
What's that lipstick?
Sitting by the fire and dream.
So we're leaving IKEA now. Well, we're about to check out. We got a few things. We're gonna go to the grocery store after this. Oh, Katie, let me see.
Oh, that's so cute.